Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentin, and today I decided to put together a short intro video, something I should have done a long time ago, to clarify the scope of this channel. So the idea behind inventing a better you is that of self-improvement. And I'm sure each one of you at one point in your lives, you've met someone or something that motivated you to become a better person and just in general to change for the better. Same thing happened to me. Now, self-improvement is a very broad topic and it spans many areas that you can talk about. But for this channel, I'm going to focus only on three main concepts. The first one is investing. And with investing, I'm going to help you create the ideal portfolio that's going to help you save money in the short term and the long term. And I think everyone should have an investment portfolio because it pretty much makes you money while you sleep. So why not? And number two, I'm going to go over concepts of how to find and keep a successful career. So we're going to cover questions on how you should build a resume, how you should behave in an interview, and then the things you should be doing while you have that ideal job. And the third topic is basically surrounding relationship dynamics and stress mitigation strategies, because these are some things that everyone has to deal on a day-to-day basis. So I think you can find out a few useful tips if you listen to my channel. So with that being said, if you enjoy the content, if you find the content useful, please leave a like and subscribe. It will really help me put out more videos for you. And if you ever have any questions, I'm more than happy to help you answer them, okay? So I wish you happy holidays alongside your family, whether in person or remotely, since we're dealing with this whole COVID situation. And I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao.